Hello everyone. So now we will start installing our Node.js. So first you go to google.com and type in Node.js, and you can click on this link, download Node.js, and always go with the LTS version. So choose the window installer. It will download right here. Open file, click next, 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 again next, leave that unchecked and click next. Click on install, provide permission, and click on finish. After installing this, we have to check the version and make sure we have installed this properly. So, so to verify the version after installing, we go in CMD and we run is as a administrator in the command prompt node-v. Okay, it's telling we have installed this node version 24.13. Next, we're gonna check npm -v. That's a node package manager. So it will help us to download all the library packages that require to run our applications. So make sure for the next video you have to have this ready and make sure you check both versions. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I see you in the next one.